A video for all of the gunman them. But I tell you something, some of them are dead. Stop trust people. Stop trust no friend. Stop trust no woman, some no woman. And stop make the woman them fear of you. Cause you see them new time gunman are like in these days, like some little boy we say them bad. I don't rate them. You see some of the old time gunman them in them 40s and 50s and 60s, them are the real gunman. Me are 40. And me used to take gunman. But now I only want one gunman. Because your life can be in danger too. One, when you take a gunman as a woman, your life can be at danger. Because sometimes the gunman them where you take, man, I look for them, they can't catch you, them see you, and they want to do things. This is a little story. I remember when I was in the street at once selling stuff at night. And yeah, my baby father left. He was a gunman. He don't live in Jamaica. Me and him not together again. Telling a little story. And I was on the road selling stuff at night. And sorry to the video, Jai. And one man looked at me about I want to deport the boy. And he said, where you come from? I was in the ghetto at that time. And I said to the man, say, you know, what waterfall I come from, Ray. And I say, what waterfall I come from? And I say, eh? So me know, for me like my mouth, I tell the man where I come from. But them time me learn. I tell the man say what waterfall I come from. The man I say, him ask me for a man when I know what the man did dead. So me I say, yeah, I know that nigga there in the dead, him have a shop. And the man said to me, say, a Bvdman kill him. First the man asked me, say, who am my baby father? Me go call my baby father name like me say idiot. Lucky me never dead. So the man I say, and the baby father kill him, like Bvdman kill him. So I say, I know man, I know my baby father, and the friend they kill him, not my baby father friend. And then they kill back the brown youth there. Him now go tell him friend then that a man me I look me in the street, you know. And he say, a such man baby father, baby mother this, you know. When me look, some boy intimidate me the other night, we go up on the road. And I say, what is God? And they want to kill me. So me used to sell a town up on a stall. One Christian woman come around me in a spirit and I shot at my foot and I say, gunshot at the feet, gunshot at the feet. God say must pray, God say must pray. Then tell me how to pray now. The woman I say, gunshot at the feet and I run on the stall and I shoot at my foot and I say, gunshot, pray, pray. I did a ball and something, I go home at night. I go up on my knee and I pray and I say, God, I not create no problem. Just show me how one gunshot me and really. For them time I go to the street and I'm not really go up on the street at night, certain way, careless. You see me? And I pray and believe you me, God, vision to see me, you, them way follow me up. The boy have a gun and a bus after me and it a stick. The gun a stick. So thank you, Jesus, and I never go back at that spot because them time they have ganja, me I still on cigarette at night time. Go up on the road, go look my thing, you see me, for feed me youths. And if I'm a pray that night, I not stop pray to God. Now I go tell you say every night I pray. No one then, but I can't tell you no gunman out there. And some girl will set up man life too. It's not worth it. And sometimes if you avoid this gunman thing, because some of them not change and some of them gunman yeah, would fear now. No. You see me? I never fear one gunman yet. If I take a man and I fear him, I never go there with him. I'm a bad girl like them. Because what with gunman, you know, some of them, you know, that I want to be abusive. You see, if you're afraid of them, if you're afraid of the gunman, them I go bad up in them, I go abuse you. So you see me, I'm more powerful. You see, if a gun boy say, yo, girl, go suck your mother, and the same thing I get in her face, go chuck to your mama. And one gun boy I'm ever there with him, I really respect. And I'm a real gun boy, and I have to allow him out. Cause he prefer the gun more than even woman. The boy and kill me and him catch up. One gunman I really respect and I call him name like every time. No kill me and a boy they curse. And no kill me I say go suck your mother, go suck this, go suck that name face. Him never lay hand. If him have 2 pieces of clothes in the house, him just take him bag and pack him things and him walk away from him. Never lay him hand for try to lick me. And a real killer that youth there. I respect him for that. While some of them are going back if a man abusive to a woman and want to hurt a woman, lick a woman, I can't really go man that. You see me? You get me I say? Yeah. So, I have to know there's something there. I don't really rate some boy who say them a gunman. Because you see, boy will kill a woman and beat me. You don't have no gunman, brother. You wicked and cold-hearted. You have mother, someone you don't have sister, you don't have relative, cousin. You don't like nobody killing a sister, so young and all them something there. And I like nobody killing a sister and them thing they young.
See baby you talk to you can start back after.
How will the video look?
We don't press that, press this. When then you can record after, I can